Hi guys, welcome along. Today's review is another security camera, but this one rather special. It's the best one I've had to date. It comes from Reolink and it's one of their top made cameras. I don't think it's even released yet. Now it was sent to me to stream my garden, you know, the bird table and things like this, and just leave it on 24/7. But what happened was that I couldn't actually stream it in the high resolution. It's a 5 megapixel camera and it needed to be streamed in this super high def for them to want it. So I struggled up my internet speed and my download speed, the whole thing, to as far as I could get with what I had, and obviously it still wasn't fast enough. If I left it on that high def setting, then what would happen is it would freeze the picture after a short time. So I was trying to stream it through YouTube for their site. So basically I was given this camera for their use, if you like, and I just left the thing on, and they were going to pay me a certain amount of money a month, which seemed pretty good. I thought, that's good. But anyway, the whole deal crashed out when I couldn't manage to make the high def res that they wanted. So I'm left with a camera now, basically. So before I move it to my roof, which I'm going to do eventually, and do a live stream of my own from there and use it as a webcam, so that you can have a look at Exmouth and the River Exe and see what the weather's doing down here in Devon, which is hopefully something I can do. I'll let you know when that happens, but I thought I'd show you the camera first. This is a real super good jobby, if you like, so let's take a look at it. Here we have it then. This is the beast, and as you can see, it's quite a massive beast. Well, 190 foot range in the dark with these massive LEDs on it, and obviously it's got all sorts of sensors and motion. It can twist around and turn around. It's got lots of nice features on it. Really a top dollar camera. But the main thing about it, obviously, as I said, was its 5 megapixel definition. Now I can show what that looks like on the computer, because I've actually got their Reolink app, and show you how good that quality actually looks when it looks at my garden. But you can see that I'd set it up for bird feeders and things like this, so that we could catch birds in the garden, and that was a general idea, that this was streaming 24/7. But as it turned out, obviously that deal has crashed and burned. What else was it about it? Oh yes, right. Also, this thing has a 4 times optical zoom. I mean, that is quite rare. Everybody has a digital one, but an optical one, and it really works well. So I'll show you it on the computer now, the quality of it on the 5K setting. Well, there is the picture on my computer. You can see how well and sharp that is. It is the sharpest, clearest image I've ever seen, I must admit, of any camera. I showed you the movement of the camera when you first get it on, and all it's capable of is the moving thingy, and you can obviously pan around to any and everything, and also do that. Wow, that's clever, isn't it? Oh, made you feel sick yet? No, it's great, isn't it? So, as I was saying, next time you see it, it will be up on my roof, give you a nice view over the Exe down here in sunny Devon.